Well, he's over there getting ready to take that family out. I guess that's what he does. He goes out there and kills families one by one. But I guess that's what you do when you're a beast. You gotta do what you gotta do to survive. And that's what he's doing. The great blue herring, as he sits on top of the rock waiting for his prey to dance for him. And soon he'll make his way down, and his prey will fall victim to the most powerful beak in history. Look at him just go down there. Look at him. He's ready. He's getting closer and closer by the minute. He's inching his way closer. And the poor little fish do not know what lies ahead of them. For it is the beast known as the Malopolis Topolis. As he creates havoc. He's gonna get another one. He's gonna get another one. He's making his way over there. The little one? Yeah, I see him out there. He's tired of waiting. Uh-oh, look, I'm getting some. I just got a big bite. I'm over here doing this. That was a bite. That was a total bite by me, but I'm watching this stupid bird as he makes his way out there. You know what? Fuck that bite. I want to watch this bird. And he says to himself, I will get me. I want to see that. Look at that damn thing. Something still biting me? He's looking diligently at his prey. They're not suspecting what's about to lie ahead of them. Wish there's a way to zoom this in on Sony Vegas. I'm sure there is. Look at him. There he goes. There he goes. He sees it. Look at that bastard. The beast. Standing in knee. Ooh, I'm getting something. I'm getting another bite. Staying in knee-deep water. There's something over there. I'll put my phone up again so I can record it. Something definitely biting my line. I definitely got some hits.
I'm totally stripped the horn, too.
Huh?
I'm totally stripped my horn.
I definitely got a big slam. I'm amazed at looking at that bird. Look how patient he is. He's sitting there waiting. It's crazy. I like the looks of that bird. At least I know I'm getting bit now. Look at him, look at him, look at that fish he got. Look at the size of that fish. Look at that thing.
Carp.
Hell no, that's a big ass fish he caught. Look at him, man.
That ain't no carp. He's going to put that thing and pluck away. I don't want to see. He can't eat that thing whole.
Look at that shit. That's a huge motherfucking... Look at that shit. Look at that. He just took that fish from its family. Now he sets him on a rock and he kills him. Look at that. Look at him slicing him up. That's crazy. And man, I got to bring that camera down here. That's crazy. That's like a bass. That's a small little bass. And hey, look how silver he is. Watch him swallow that bastard. Look at him. Look at that shit. Ooh, man, I hate to be that fish right now. He's munching away. That is crazy. You see how that thing hunts? Goes pro. He had stopping power on, obviously, because he stopped it. Look at that thing dancing around. Oh, he's trying to get away. I think he's getting away at him. Look. He's dancing on the rock. And he's just looking at him. Look at him. He's just looking at him. You know, he didn't like the taste of him, I guess. He got him again. Look now, he's just toying with them. Huh? That thing was kind of big for him to swallow whole, but he did it yesterday. Damn, that's crazy. I'm gonna bring my next time. I'll bring my camera out here. I'm gonna get this on tape. I'm gonna record the whole goddamn crime, and I'm gonna send it to the FBI and have them investigate this goddamn criminal over here, the murderer out, this fucking murdering blue herring out there, just killing families of fish one by one. The fucking mass serial fucking murderer. That's what he is. Look at him. Look at him, just chewing that thing up. And there's nothing we can do about it. I mean, look at him. Just look at him. He's got it in his mouth. That almost look like a trout. That's a big fucking fish. Shit. It's still alive. It's flopping around. That's crazy. Look at him, man. He's just over there taunting it now. Man, you're right. I should have brought the good camera. Look how long that thing is. Now he's taking it back there. Look at him. He's going to hide it. You know what that is? That looks like a small little bass. You know what? It could be a crappie. You know what's weird? That's a big crappie. You know what's weird? I'd like to get over there and fish. He's got the right idea. I gotta hold this. Oh, I thought I was getting a bite. I gotta hold my camera because the dumbass wouldn't eat it when we were visible. Just eat the damn thing already, you dumbass. That fish got beast blood. It don't want to die. Now he's carrying it back over to the water for some reason. He don't like it. He's gonna place it back with his family. Oh my God, he's holding it over the, look at, he's dumping it in the water. Look at him. He's cleaning it. He dunked it like it's coffee. Look at that shit. Oh yeah, he's eating, he's munching down on that. But look at, he got his mouth, look at that.
Going down and sell it.
Watch it, he ate that thing. Is it? Holy shit. He ate that thing, went right down his throat. The sad part about it, he'll keep doing that until the authorities are alerted. I'm gonna have to alert the authorities. A serial fucking bird killer, or fish killer right here.
Hey, he's not hungry, he's just doing it for sport.
That's all he's doing. He's just doing it to taunt. He's killing the kids. That's all he's doing. Fucking murderer.